I'm keeping it real and I'm keeping it G. Remember the day I was riding on 64, crashing the grandma key. No, you never left my side. It's in you, I abide. Thank you for the ways that you made, yeah, my life. And I'm daily overcoming all this pain and this strife. And I've seen enough wrong. I'm just trying to do what's right.
Thankful every day for his blessings that he's given. Thankful for the struggle, yes, I know that I'm forgiven.
In 1.5 miles, slight left on US 19 truck.
And we even pick up over in that area too. Doing an exercise. This is up in here that we drop off and pick up at. Unless it's a local delivery.
Trucks don't go down the Holland Tunnel.
Yeah.
Period.
Yeah, period. Unless it's local.
Unless it's a local delivery. How will you know it's a local delivery?
Like box trucks, stuff like that. Where even though the place we're delivering, they got trailers, but their trailers are a hell of a lot shorter, probably about this much shorter than ours. And they have day cabs, and they'll run those trucks through the tunnel because they can sit lower. We're 13.6. I can't remember how tall the Holland Tunnel is, but we're not supposed to go through there at all. When I get that right mirror and make sure the corners of the trailer don't hit these poles, you can easily do that.
In 800 feet, take the entrance to the run on US 1-9 northbound Taylor 39 into Secaucus and then keep to the left in 620 feet.
Now here's where people get really confused. Up in here.
On US 1978, US 9 US 22
Yo, what is going on? So that was New Jersey. We kind of came through there, and as you can see the clips, everything was kind of moving fast. So I just wanted y'all to see that, when you in these big cities, man, try to get an idea of kind of where you going by looking at a map before you go there, because it can get hectic up there.
crossing border, entering Virginia.
Harpers Ferry, man.
Yeah, it's getting ready to change over to West Virginia. Watch out on this exercise. Again.
Harpers Ferry, man. So this is a very important Civil War battleground. I studied it while I was in school, so it was real important to me and real cool that we came through here. And I had no clue that we was even coming through this joint, like, until we actually hit it. And I started looking around, like, just a little bit before we got there, and I was like, this kind of looked like Harpers Ferry. And lo and behold, that's what we was coming through. And yeah, I mean, I knew like kind of its location, but from studying it so much that it was close to West Virginia. But seeing is believing, you know what I mean? And to see the water and how shallow it was, and it was important because I can't remember. I gotta do my research again, but somebody's fighting from the water and somebody's fighting from land, and because of its location, it was real strategic, and it was a hard place to battle. So man, I just it's just nice coming through a place and being able to see living history I would have never seen this if not for trucking. So I'm real thankful for that, and I'm thankful that I'm able to show this and just have a piece of history that I not only studied, but I was actually able to see it.